Hello guys, welcome back to Auto Craze. I'm back at Evo Customs right now sitting in a BMW 5 Series GT which has stopped on for an Apple Carplay upgrade. So the upgrade has been completed, so I'll be taking you guys an in-depth overview of how this system works, what all features you get in it and what is the pricing. So without any further delay, let's get started with the video. So guys, starting off with, this is the original BMW 5 Series GT screen, the infotainment system which you get from BMW. Now we have integrated an Apple CarPlay unit with this original BMW UI, and it has been hidden behind the head unit so that it's not visible. And what you guys see here is a microphone, so I'll be explaining you guys why you need a microphone as well. Now before connecting the mobile with the head unit, I'll be giving you guys a briefing of how you open the screen and how you open the Apple CarPlay screen and what all are the features. So it works completely with the iDrive system, which works with the head unit, as this is not touchscreen, as you guys can see. So what you have to do is long press on menu, and once you long press on menu, this Apple CarPlay interface comes up. Now this is not an Apple CarPlay interface but the unit's interface. Now, as you guys can see, as I rotate here, I'll just move back a bit. As I rotate here, as you guys can see, it moves there. So it completely integrated with the iDrive system. Now as you guys can see, you get Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, screen mirroring, video in, and this is to exit. Once you press exit, you go back to the original BMW UI, which I'll be showing you guys soon as well. Now settings. Now once I press on exit, I go back to the original BMW UI. Now what I'll do is I'll just connect the iPhone with the Apple CarPlay, and I'll show you guys how it turns on. So this particular unit is wired. Now on certain models you even get wireless. So let me just connect this. So once connected, it immediately shows up on the screen. So let me just redo it to show you guys how fast it is, as I'm having the camera on one hand and the wire on the other hand, so it's a bit difficult. So I've just disconnected. It's showing disconnecting iOS device and shows the interface of the unit. So I'll just plug in. So guys, once plugged in, it shows connecting iOS device and the Apple CarPlay interface shows up. Now it's super sleek, super fast. There's no lag or anything as such. Now let me show you guys how it works. Again, it works with the iDrive controller. So as you rotate, as you guys can see there, it moves. Now you can see how smooth it is. It's super sleek. Now even Android devices work. Now this is the most unique feature of this particular unit, is you get a split screen on the left hand side, whether you're playing music or anything as such, that comes on the left hand side, and on the right hand side is your Google screen. Now even the voice assistant works. Now this particular iPhone isn't paired with my voice, but let me just give it a try. Hey Siri, navigate to home.
It looks like you don't have a home address listed on your contact card.
So okay, somehow it has recognized my voice. Siri worked. As you guys can see, even the voice assistant works perfectly fine. Now for this particular purpose, you need the mic, as well as you can also pick up and decline calls as well as talk on calls. So you need a microphone, and this was the most accessible position in order to place a microphone, and the customer wanted it here, so we have placed it here. Now this is how the Apple CarPlay unit works. Now it's pretty sleek, as you guys can see. Now you can also have Amazon Prime Music and various other things. Now Zoom is right here. Maybe you can just use the calls, as there's no camera here, in order to trigger a camera or use a camera. You have Spotify to listen music. You have Google Maps and basic settings and the usual Apple CarPlay interface. For now, let me just disconnect the Apple CarPlay and show you guys how the Android Auto works. So guys, I've just plugged in an Android device, and as you guys can see here, the Android Auto is active. Now again, it works with the iDrive system. So I'll just go back to home. Yeah. So once I go back to home, as you guys can see, all the Android Auto apps are working perfectly fine with this. Now those of you guys who are wondering how does the music work, yes, the music has been integrated with the MMI, so you get the audio output through the aux. So this is a complete package which you get, and all the connections will be done, so no worries regarding the audio output. It will be played through your stock BMW speakers. Now the voice quality is all similar to how your mobile works. There isn't much of difference, or there isn't kind of low clarity voice in this. The voice clarity is perfect. Now I cannot show the demo of that in this as well because I put the mobile right now in flight mode, and having conversations over call on the video won't be right. But anyways, we have tested it out very well. Now the voice quality is perfectly fine over calls as well. Now if I go to Spotify, Amazon Music, again I cannot play the songs, ending up in copyrights issue. But to be frank, the audio output is similar to how a BMW's audio output should be. So how much your stock speakers can perform, it will be similar. Now this is how Android Auto works. Now again you have all the features: YT Music, Maps, Calendar, Amazon Music. So basically whatever features you get on an Android Auto, everything works perfectly fine. Now it works on this iDrive system, as I told you guys. So if I want to access the menu below, I have to press back. Now if I want to again press back, and I can go to the main unit. So as you guys can see here, now it works on the top hand side. Once I press back, it goes to the bottom end. Now even Google works perfectly fine with this. Again, my voice isn't paired with this particular device, but let's give it a shot. Okay Google, navigate to home address.
Navigating to Bengaluru.
So as you guys can see, the Google Assistant also works perfectly fine. Now let me exit back and disconnect Android Auto to show you guys few more features. So you can even screen mirror with this particular unit. Now this particular GT5 series did not come with a reverse camera, so we have also integrated a reverse camera in this particular unit. So I'll just put it into reverse to show you guys. As you can see, the reverse camera has been activated, and it's totally adaptive guidelines. As I'm rotating the steering wheel, you can see it's totally in adaptive guidelines, and it works perfectly fine. Now again, this is an HD camera, waterproof, and it also has a night mode. And the parking sensors, everything works perfectly fine. It's integrated with the stock parking sensors. As you can see, I park close to the walls, so the front parking sensors are activated, and there isn't any vehicle behind, so the rear parking sensors are not showing. But if there's any object nearby, the rear parking sensors also work perfectly fine. Now to show you another thing, once I shift it back to drive or parking, it immediately within fraction of seconds goes back to the original screen. So I'll just press park button. As you guys can see, I'll just zoom out a bit. So that's how fast it is. There isn't any lag. So this sums up on how fast the unit is. So this was pretty much the overview. And one more thing guys, you have the USB port, so you can also connect a pen drive and play videos. Oh, by mistake I pressed the mirror link. So mirror link also works, but here you connect a pen drive and you can play videos also on this particular unit. Now if you want to go back to the original MMI, all you have to do is long press on menu, back to the original MMI. Again long press on the menu, and it triggers the Apple Carplay unit. So that's all for now guys. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'm sure this is very informative for most of the BMW owners. Now this is not only for BMW. We have this solution for almost expensive German cars or the luxury German cars. Yes, almost all the brands we have solutions. Now this solution roughly starts from around 45,000 rupees and increases and decreases based on the make and models. So different make, different model, you have different pricing. For more information, please do contact the number on the screen, or you can check out our Instagram page, or you can visit or drop down to us. The address is also down in the description. So that's all for now guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like it, please consider the like button. If you haven't subscribed, do subscribe, and make sure you turn on the notification bell icon so that you guys are notified on my more interesting videos. And any queries or suggestions, feel free to comment and I'll make sure to reply to it. See you guys in the next video.